In today's fast-paced world, an accommodation provider has a lot more to do than only offer a wonderful night's stay. The tasks are overwhelming. But what if one system managed it all for you? Welcome to ResBook, an all-in-one cloud-based solution. Enjoy the freedom of running your business anywhere, anytime. Booking is easy every step of the way. Guests can book directly from your website on any size device, and you can even receive an instant booking notification on your phone. See all of your reservations in a glance with our easy-to-read calendar, quick hover to view booking details, special notes, and more. ResBook is a marketing machine. Upsell with promotional codes, packages, or gift vouchers. Manage your customer profiles and relationships, and reach out with our integrated newsletter service. Promote your business on Booking.com, Expedia, and Airbnb, or choose one of our integrated channel managers to promote your rooms on over 80 other OTAs. Choose one of our ready-to-purchase ResBook packages, or customize ResBook to suit your business. Choose from a long list of optional features, including PCI-compliant payment gateways, accounting integrations, housekeeping, and more. Pay only for the tools you need today, then add more as your business grows. ResBook is supported by an award-winning digital marketing team, so you can choose to turbo boost your business with a new mobile website and online marketing services to generate even more direct bookings. If you're a vacation rental manager, check out ResBook VR, with features tailored for managing multiple property listings and reservations. Sign up for our complimentary 14-day trial today and enjoy the freedom of having one system that increases your bookings and saves you time.